Go. From the opening. Oh, what are you closing him on?
Fitness.
Go. Opening
So,
question.
Andre, what is the main reason that you want to change your body right now with training?
Main reason is that to keep it short, I basically stagnate. I don't really like gain a lot of strength anymore or size. So I feel like maybe it's time to get some professional help, you know?
Okay, so you had a plateau and you don't really know what you can do in order to get the strength and size that you're wanting.
Yep, yep.
Right. Okay. So when you say you're trying to get strength and size, what do you mean by that?
Yeah, quite literally. Like I'm trying to get stronger, increase
And
the
his
amount of
inner.
plate side of the barbell, you know, and I'm trying to become more buff as well.
I didn't hear what you said earlier. You're trying to increase what?
Me?
Oh, Tyler.
Oh,
So
you
bad.
you said something,
It buffered, it
so I wasn't
buffered.
sure. Yeah.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
all good. Yeah, I was saying, I'm trying to just like increase the weights on each side of the barbell, you know, and I'm trying to become bigger as well. That's basically the plan.
Okay, so lift bigger and be bigger. So where are you at right now with the strength and size?
It all depends on who I'm comparing myself to. So if I compare myself to the people in my local gym, one of the strongest guys for sure. I do have one guy that I know that is named Tyler, and he is compared to him, I'm not really that strong.
I mean, compared to yourself, like where would you put yourself in strength and size?
So maybe unlike your typical prospect, I used to be 64 kilos, now I'm 94, but I know I could be doing more.
You're 94 kilos, okay. So you said this is something that you've been working on. You've been trying to increase in strength and size. Why is what you are now not, are you not satisfied with it? Like you said, you're 94 kilos.
I would like to describe myself as a competitive guy, so it annoys me
Hmm.
that I'm not progressing,
Hmm.
as well as I'm 21. Like, how can I already stagnate that it doesn't make sense at all?
You think you've hit your peak?
Well, it feels that way, but logically, I know that that's not the case.
Okay. So you're competitive, you want to keep getting better with your body, and you also don't want to have hit your peak at 21. That's where things are at right now, right?
Spot on.
Okay.
Yeah,
So how long have you been trying to increase your strength and size?
2 years. Or how long? Well, yeah, that was since, day one I stepped my foot into the gym. So 6 years?
6 years. Okay. And were you increasing strength and size faster before this, or has it always been this way where you felt like you're at a stagnation?
Yeah, I was gaining like a motherfucker up until 2 years ago.
Do you know what happened 2 years ago that like caused you to stop?
No idea. I have
Okay.
genuinely
So
no idea.
when you said you were gaining like crazy, what did that look like?
Well, it's 28 kilos of muscle, pretty much.
Okay. So now that you aren't, what does it look like now?
Same muscle, same strength.
Okay. And why is that a problem?
Now, pausing. How would you rate her so far? All of you putting 10. Don't be idiots. Like, genuinely. 8? 7.9? You guys are 6. I think the only one who's actually genuine is Isabel. Okay, Carlitos. 6, 6. She's perfect like all women are. She's cooking. Okay, so I don't think your direction was wrong. I think all of you, except for Jaden, that took a like complete 180 for no reason. All of you had very good directions. I think the questions can be improved. I do like the questions, which is ironic, but when you're not feeling the pressure, Jaden, I see that the things that I say, that the questions that I put, sometimes you really nailed it in the chat. So it's like ironically, you are asking good questions when you don't feel pressure, but you were very misdirected with direction. The opposite is happening with you guys. Direction is good, but questions are like not necessarily bad. You guys are still beating a normal closer, but could be better. So small difference. For example, let me show you a quick rant. Engineer, so you told me that you've been stagnating for 2 years. You wanted to really change your body. What is the body that you want to have? Like, what is your goal?
I assume you watched the Rocky movies. If you look at Rocky 4, dream physique.
Okay, Rocky 4. What are you right now?
Well, right now, well, not Rocky in even one of the movies. Not even the number one. Like, yeah.
Not even Rocky 1?
I'm more shredded than him than there, but muscle mass wise, no.
Okay, so this is concerning because for 6 years you have been training, didn't you?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, how is that cognitive dissonance in you that says, okay, I've been training for 6 years and I'm still not at Rocky 1 level?
It is concerning. Yeah, it is concerning. That's the best way of putting it. Like right now, for being a 21-year-old, my physique is pretty good. But if I look this way when I'm like 27, 28, whatever, I would be highly disappointed.
So you want to wait 7 years to change it?
Nope, because I know that nothing changes if nothing changes.
So the only way of preventing that is changing it now?
Yeah, like why would I wait?
I don't know. That's what I'm asking you. Do you want to wait?
No, that's why I'm on this call.
What's pushing you to take action now?
Because I've genuinely tried a lot of things on my own
You
in the
can
past
pause.
2 years, and nothing seems
And
to
now
really
you can pause. And now
change.
he starts telling me what he did. But do you see the pressure, the constant da 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 da?
Yeah,
You
it
know?
makes a lot of sense. I did the same. Like I asked him like who do you want to look like and where are you right now? But it was done in a different way. You made him give you visual. That's what I was trying to get, visual examples, and he didn't give me that. And I didn't know how to ask it so that he would give me that. So that makes perfect sense. Yeah. Okay.
That's very good. And this is the lesson that I want to explain as well, which is neocortex is logical stuff. Neocortex, logical words, you don't make a decision. Mammalian brain, emotions, visualizing stuff, you make decisions.
Yeah.
What did I did with him? You were talking about, oh, you having this body, but whatever, how much weight you had, numbers, logic. I'm talking about Rocky 1 versus Rocky 4.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, images are a lot better. He gave me weight, and I don't even know what to do with that. So it also makes sense. It's more helpful for you too as the closer.
100%. So now you have it.
Yeah.
Very good.